today we have our one of the maths, English and science expert over here, Mr. Kush sir here, and we welcome from Belgaum Public School principal and staff for this today's workshop. He has been great admirer for the especially for the maths. You can learn lot of techniques from him for your future studies also. He has done many courses and he is into our teaching field for many years. And he is really talented and we are all lucky to have in Belgaum Public School today. So please welcome him with a round of applause. Thank you for being here, sir. It's really pleasure being with us. So we would like you to share your talent and ideas for this young upcoming children. So please welcome, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am Kush M. Durgi. It's my full name. But my pen name is what we say in Kannada, that is Kavya Nama, Kannada Marathi. Ankushi Durgi. Recently, I started YouTube channel also. That is also called Ankush Durgi. Another YouTube channel very recently I started. That is called Ankush Durgi Marathi Media. And there is a Facebook, Instagram. Both are called Ankush Durgi. So I lectured about 25 to 30 years in both the states, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Lecturing, along with the lecturing, still I am studying. Now I am the student of 60 years. I covered more than 10 degrees and just now I am finishing one PhD and planning to start another. Very shortly I am going to finish one PhD. And also my two daughters, Nikita and Amruta, they are also finishing their PhD in organic chemistry. Very shortly, within 2-3 months. And another, Sonali, she is a software student. So my many students are there, lakhs together across the Karnataka and Maharashtra and even Goa. Direct and indirect students are there, lakhs together. All are doing very well. You are also here doing very well. You are that our Shiv Kumar sir, chairman, principal madam, and all the staff members, all of you working here very nicely. Your school result is already very nice. So it's a very good things going on. But here, if you wish, if you like my ideas, better to add these things with your study. Already there is very nice syllabus is going on, but if you wish, if you like, you can add some of my ideas, especially Vedic maths ideas. Also handwriting improvement programs, study improvement programs, how to manage, how to follow the timetables every day. So many videos are there on various topics in 4 languages, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi and English. In 4 languages you are getting lectures, all that in YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, another YouTube channel, free of cost. All are free of cost. Okay? Let us have a idea here how the Vedic maths help us. Please remember that Vedic maths is a mother of universal mathematics. It's our Indian traditional mathematics. It was created by the extraordinary persons, our Indian, Bharatiya, those all the persons, our forefathers, they all created in Veda Kala and it's a Purva Kala. So it's an extraordinary procedure. If you follow this procedure, your brain will become super active. Here only you will find that, you will say that actually it's extraordinary. Within 2 minutes you will say that we can cover tables up to 100. And you will say that we will not forget this forever. And you will say another statement that there is no need of practicing or writing or any by-hearting system. Without any practice, without any by-hearting, without wasting more time, you can cover tables within 2 minutes up to 100. And in next 1 minute, you will say that we can cover tables up to 1000 and lakhs and crores and crores. So many things are there. And again, if you follow that Vedic table technique, you can cover the whole mathematics of the world. So you are going to now have here great ideas by the help of Vedic maths. Okay? Let us see that how this helps us. Okay. Here I am making one table here. Go on writing tables. Okay? Along with me. Yes, come on. Come on. Say that is 55. Now I am giving here the idea to make tables of 55. First you have to take separately these both. That is table of 5 and again table of another 5. Okay? Go on writing. Yes, start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, start. 15. Next. How much? 20. Next. 25. Next. 30. Next. 35. Next. 40. Next. 45. Last. 50. Is it clear? Yes, come on. Another 5. That is 5. Yes. Here you can adjust. Okay. Come on. 5. 5 ones are 5. Next. 10. Next. 15. Next. 20. Next. Good. Next. Next. Okay. Okay. 45. Last. 50. Is it over? Yes. There is a Vedic technique that says if we have 2 digits here, 2 digits. Now look at this. Okay, stop writing. Now look at this. I will give time for you to write it down. Okay, come on. Look at this. We have 2 digits here. Okay, then Vedic technique says only one line of single digits. Single line of digits means last digits. Okay, 2 digits, one line of digits should be taken directly. Here now I am making here table of 55 jointly. Underline says jointly. Here we have taken separately. There we have to make jointly. How it is? Say last line should be taken there. And what we should do with the front line digits? These should be added in the table of first. Okay? See this. Table of first. That is here. We have to add these on. Yes. Okay. According to Vedic technique, we have to take the, if here 2 digits, last one line. That is, what is that? 5. Next, it should be parallel. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 and 0. Is it clear? Yes. Let us check that whether it is right or wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it right? Yes. 10 are there. Okay? Then next, here. Have you got this idea? If 2 digits, last one line of digits of the second table should be taken directly. Means there is no change as it is. But now, there will be changes in these 2 lines. Means first table and front line digits should be added here. Okay? 5. Is there any digit to add? No. No. Take 5 as it is. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next. 10 plus 1? 11. Okay, start writing. 15 plus 1?
16.
How much? 16. 20 plus 2? 22. 25 plus 2?
27.
27. 30 plus 3?
33.
33. 35 plus 3?
38.
38. Next 40 plus 4?
44.
44. Next 45 plus 4?
49.
49. Next 50 plus 5?
55.
55. Now we have the table of 55. Is it clear? Please take down. Yes. Slowly turn. Is it over? Yes, okay. Now, just yes. Come on, big. Is it over? Who finished that? Close your notebooks. That who finished, please close your notebook and concentrate here only. Okay? Is it over? Okay, stop it. If not finished, but stop it. Yes. Okay. Now, whenever I say start, then set your time. Okay? Then whenever I say stop, then check your time. Within 2 minutes, you will say that I can cover tables up to 100. Okay? Are you ready? But you have to concentrate here only. Okay? Let us start. Yes. Okay. Let us start. Please set your time. Okay? Start. Come on. Here is 55. Okay, for this 55 we have to create table here jointly. Here we are taking help by the technique of Vedic math. First write down the table of 5, again table of 5. Whatever it may be number. If it is 56, same should be done. Okay? Next. We have taken here both the tables. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next. There is a technique. If 2 digits are there, then only one line of the second table should be taken directly. That is, we have taken this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next, the front line digits of the second table should be added in the first table. Okay? That is 10 plus 1,
11.
15 plus 1,
16.
20 plus 2,
22.
25 plus 2,
27.
30 plus 3,
38.
35 plus 3,
38.
40 plus 4,
44.
45 plus 4,
49.
50 plus 5.
55.
Okay, now we have the table of 55. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, can you create table for 65?
Yes.
Please don't write down. Only to answer. 76, 88,
Yes.
89,
Yes.
94,
Yes.
99.
Yes.
Okay, now you can create tables up to 100. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the power of techniques. That is Vedic techniques. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, come on. Please check your time.
1 minute, 2 seconds.
Yes, nearly 2 minutes we can say roughly. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂದಾದರೂ ಮರಿತೀರಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋ in the same way now we can create tables up to 1000. Just give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now I want to create table for 955. 955. Look at this only. When we are having here 2 digits, we have taken single line. Now we have 3 digits. 2 digits, 1 line. 3 digits, 2 lines should be taken there. And the front line should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 900. Means we are very near to 1000. You can create tables up to 1000 now. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. If there comes another 9, you can create tables in thousands and more than that. Is it okay? Yes. Let us see how these techniques help us in our daily life maths. Okay? Let us see that. I am taking here one example of your syllabus. Now, this is your syllabus ultimately, no problem. This is your syllabus. See that. For example, here say 74 into 7. This is table of 74 and 7. Here 55 and 7 like this. Like this. Yes, this is the multiplication. This is the only technique, final technique. If you understood this, you can do the multiplication of the word. Whole word multiplication you can do here only orally. Yes, come on. Say 7 4s are
28.
28. 7 7s are 49. 49. Say this is the table of 4 at 7 and this is the table of 7 at 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
Like this. Here to here we is have to that. Okay? Here. Next. Then what we should do? We have 2 digits here. 2 digits. What we did here?
Add.
Yes, here we have to split the second. Split the second. We should be taken directly without changing. 8. Last one. 4 digits. Last one should be taken here. Last one. What we should do with the front one? Add. This is the idea. This is Vedic technique. Add here. 41. 51. Okay, this is answer. This is the world's mathematics technique. Now he can answer orally like this. Once again, I am explaining. 7 4s are 28. 7 7s are 49. Here are 2. We have to take 1 and 1 should be added here. Suppose here are 3. How many we should take here? If here are 3, then 2 should be taken there and 1 should be added here. If here are 5 digits, 4, 1. If here are 10 digits, 9 and 1. If here are 101 digits, 101. Always 1 should be taken here. If here are 1005, 4 digits, we should take there and only 1 should be taken here. Now you can do the multiplications of the numbers which are having thousands and thousands. Digits. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now I am giving one question to you. You can answer orally. Yes, come on. 33 into 9. Orally you can do like this. Yes, who answered that? Yes, 2. Yes, is he right?
Yes.
Let us check that. Yes, come on. How much is question? What is the question? 33 into 9. Come on. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. What I should do here? Question. 55 into 5. Wow, super. All are answering. Yes, come on. Next question. 99 into 9. 891. She is answering very quickly. Please come here. Very quickly. All are answering. But she is super fast. Yes, super fast. Please. So fast. Yes. Yes. Please your class. 9th class. Okay. Please. Okay. Okay. All questions answered very quickly then. Okay. Please your good name. Full name. Yes. Please loudly. It is.
Anusha Santivastwar.
Yes. Class.
9.
9th class. Then your school name. Belgaum Public School. Good. How do you feel about these techniques? Very nice. Okay, thank you. Good. Okay, you can go. Please. Okay, let us jump to the next technique. Okay, now you can do the multiplication of the word or the problem. ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತದ ಇವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಂಥ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 8 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವು ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಗತ್ತದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ. ಎಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಈಗೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಈಗ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡುವವರೆಗೆ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Go slowly. You are very fast.
Slowly.
You are very fast. Still fast. You hold.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು
ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.